Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to get these beautiful passion twists done. Guys, here I am showing you how to part your hair because that is probably really important because you don't want crooked lines and all this other stuff. So what I did was I put one mirror behind me, one mirror in front of me, and let me tell you, it was the hardest joint I've ever done. Like, hardest. I don't know why it was so hard, but I could not find my head looking in two mirrors. It was hard. But basically, to part my lines and my rows, I basically did it in rows. I just didn't cut squares because it just was easier that way for me. As you can see, I'm twisting my hair so that I can make sure that the rows are straight and the squares aren't going to be big enough. Like, I'm basically measuring how the squares are going to be. And as you can see right here, I'm cutting the squares like with my rat tail comb, and it just makes it easier to look at it in the mirror, I guess. If you have somebody that can help you part them, let them part it for you because it'll save you so much time and your arms won't be hurting and you won't be tired, and it's just so much easier. At one point in the video, I was tired. I was like, listen, I can't do this no more. So I got help. But for now, you see me parting it myself, and I'm putting the rubber bands in, and this process is easy. Putting the rubber bands in is easy. Once you cut the boxes, it's so easy. But just the parting, the rows was not easy for me. But yeah, this part is easy. So yeah, all I'm putting in is these rubber bands. I'm making it tight, and I have freshly permed hair, so like it was a little bit easier to cut in. My boxes weren't really that big, but they were good for me. I don't like really full hair, so that's just the size that I went with for my boxes. So here I am going to be braiding the twisting the hair. Yeah, and honestly, I don't do hair. I don't do none of it. I just twisted it like regular ass twisting. I don't have no type of technique for it. I just twisted, which I realized, okay, matter of fact, I did realize something. I realized like when I like there was two different ways of twisting. I was noticing that like when I twisted like underhand, I don't know if that makes sense. Like I was twisting like backwards at some point, and then I realized I was twisting forward at some point, and I liked my forward twist better. But it was changing depending on like where I had turned my head to. Like if I was on my right side, I was twisting backwards, which it's kind of weird. You'll notice that you're going to twist two different types of way when you're doing the hair, but they both work with the passion twist because it doesn't need to be neat. Like no matter how tight you do it, once you let it go, it goes to like kinky. So like it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you're doing it tight. Just don't do it like loose because it's just gonna come right out. But you need to tie it a little bit tight. So here I'm putting some hicks on my hair so that it can blend. I saw videos, they said to do that, and honestly, it was a dumb idea for me because I had permed hair, and so it was just coming out of the braids, okay? Like, I should have just left it by itself and just braided it in. So if you do have permed hair and you're doing this, don't put the hicks on it. It don't make no difference. It's just gonna make it come out. So now I am using the crochet little thing, whatever that joint is called, to put the hair through. So I basically put it through the rubber band underneath, and then I pulled the water wave hair through, and I pulled one side all the way through, and I made a knot. Like I tied a knot with the hair, if that makes sense. Well, obviously it makes sense. But yeah, I basically tied the hair to my hair. And this is the whole rubber band method. Like, that's what makes it so easy. Like, you don't have to tie knots, like, with the hair. Because I can't do that because I can't braid hair. But this I can do. And all I'm going to do after that is just twist the hair. And I'm pretty sure if you're trying to do passion twist, you can twist some hair. So just twist your hair, sis. That's it. So guys, as I got to the front, I needed help. I was tired. And I made a part. That is where my part is going to be. So I was just cutting my hair the way my part is going to be. And I was doing my edges. Do your edges. When you get to the front, slick your edges with your hair. So guys, I finished my hair and this is the final result. I really, really, really loved the hair. I thought it was really, really pretty. It did not take a long time other than the parting, but it was really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful and I hope you love yours when you do it. Bye.